Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And I just wanted to put up a quick video of a product that was sent to me. I kind of dropped the ball on it. I forgot about it. It was a product that, to be honest with you, I agreed for them to send it to me to do a video on it. And I do appreciate their generosity in sending it to me. I will put a link in the description for this product. And this is it right here. And this is basically a shower sprayer. And the reason I didn't do a video review on it, and I kind of had second thoughts about even putting it up on the channel, was because it's not something I'm going to hook up. You know, I don't really have a need for this or a use for this. Although it would be nice to test it out, I really don't want to go through the hassle of having to disconnect my shower head, even though they give you the Teflon tape to install this, when I know it's going to get in the way of my shower caddy. I already have 2 nozzles in my shower, so for me this isn't something I'm going to use. I may end up giving it away to a coworker if they have a pet. This might be beneficial for them, but for me, I don't really have a use for this. But it is pretty cool. I mean, you guys have seen this before. Basically, it's a shower sprayer, and so you have your fitting right here that screws onto your existing, I guess you'd call it like the downpipe in the shower. You have a clamp which holds this, and a hose, of course. So pretty straightforward. To turn it on, you basically just or not to turn it on, but it has a couple different features or functions. When you turn the handle, it changes which jet spray. And I'm assuming 1, 2, and 3, because there's 3 clicks in it. You probably have the outer jets, the inner jets for more pressure, and then both jets at the same time. This is handy. I know my parents have one of these in their house. When my mom was, before my grandmother passed away, my mom was actually taking care of my grandmother, so she was kind of couldn't stand in the shower, and this was a great way to be able to wash her. It allowed her to get all the places, and this is handy for somebody who I guess does have kind of an issue where they, I don't want to say not bedridden. Bedridden's not the right word, but an issue where maybe it's unsafe for them to stay in the shower. Older folks, even maybe a small child, if you want to fill the tub up a little bit and shower them down with this. I've never actually used one of these. I've never really had the need to. I don't have pets, but this would be pretty handy. If you did have a pet, you were going to wash the dog or whatever, to be able to hose him down. My coworker has a Great Dane. I may end up giving it to him. I'm not really sure if he can find a use for it. Otherwise, who knows? Not really sure. But anyway, I just wanted to put up a quick video because the company did ask me to do that. They were nice enough to send it to me. The link is in the description for this here, where you can pick it up through Amazon. If this is something you're in the market for, definitely check it out. Otherwise, folks, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, guys. Take care.